For the month of September, I was really inspired by this piece of watercolor that I did here. I really love the purples and blues and kind of the sagey green here. So maybe a little bit of teal as well. So these are the colors that I'm going to use for September. I've matched some watercolor markers and pens along with the watercolor that we'll use. And I haven't done the title page, the front page for the month yet. I'm going to wait and do that later. But for now, I've put together the biometrics page, which is very similar, but it is ordered in a slightly different way than my August. I've left room for 5 measuring dates up here. Since there are 5 Wednesdays in the month of September, I think I will use this first column here, since the first day of the month is on a Wednesday. So I think I'm going to use this first column to be the last set of biometrics from the month of August, and that way at the end of the month I can do kind of a subtract, like what was my total weight at the end of September based on what it was at the end of August. So I usually do my biometrics sometime over the weekend. So this will give me 1 weekend in August and 4 weekends in September. And then here to the side, I will do like a total up, down, plus or minus, happy face or frowny face here for my biometrics. And that's to keep track of my health here. And then for the month of September, I've decided that I'm not going to do a mood tracker or a stress tracker. I am going to continue tracking my sleep, and I'm going to do that in my fasting schedule. So this is now a fasting and sleep schedule, since if I'm sleeping, I am also fasting. So I think that will work fine. We'll find out. Nice thing about bullet journals is you can customize it to work for you. So I'm going to try it out and see. This chart is set up a lot like the charts from October and July. There is 1 day per column. So this whole column here is for Wednesday the 1st, Tuesday the 2nd. And then each row is an hour of the day. So I'm going to track, each hour of the day. Was I sleeping? Was I fasting? Did I have a meal? Did I have a snack? So I will track that for the whole month. And the next thing is just a page of health notes. This helps me to keep track of different things that happen throughout the month. And then we'll get to the habit tracker. So made a cute little hand lettered title here for the habit tracker. And then again, we have the same kind of chart. 1 day is 1 column, and there are 30 days in the month of September. Nope, I haven't erased my little pencil lines there yet. I'll need to do that. But this is the same type of habit tracker from before. I'm going to put the lunar cycle as the first row here, and then I keep track of when I did my biometrics, my menstrual cycle, did I have allergies, did I exercise, cramps, night chills, did I drink enough water, some biometrics down here that I might want to do daily if I feel like it. You don't have to. Medicine, supplements, different kinds of foods. Again, because since I have food allergies, I'm going to start tracking these on a detailed level so I could try to see some correlation between flare-ups and what I eat and more foods. Some things that I am specifically trying to record are things like, did I eat soy that day? Did I have sugar or some type of sugar substitute on that day? So that's all I've done so far for September, but I do plan to include a playlist. I plan to include maybe a word of the month, and of course a scripture that I want to focus on for the month. So that's my plan for September. As soon as I get these other parts done, I'll give you an update.